Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to switch your camera modes in your 2020 Acura RLX. So in order to access this feature, we must first go to the center console. And once we get to the center console, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the camera button right here on the top right of the buttons. And once we click on that, what we're gonna lead to first is this first view right here, which is the regular view, and it also comes with a 360 view on the side for this first mode. The second mode is this wide angle view. You get to see more of what's going on in the rear of the vehicle, and a side-by-side on your car. This feature is really convenient for this big size vehicle, so you don't make sure you don't hit anything. And yeah, that'll be it for this tutorial. My name is Austin from Acura, and thank you guys for watching.